Hello, this is Bell13 and welcome to another video. It'll be about the website and what I've been doing for the website from the last time I made a video for the website, which was beta. I'll leave a link down to that in the description below if you want to check that out. But before we start this video, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. You can also leave a thumbs down. I really don't care. I don't force you. Subscribe and click on our bell to get notified for new videos that release on our channel. This will be a special deal because up to 5, if you comment down below saying you would like to get signed into the website, I will pick five people to sign up. You have to give me your email, and just leave the email, then I'll message the rest. So without further ado, let's get up to this video. Um so first up, this is the iconic menu. It has the quiz. The 1.0.2 will be released September 3rd. Monthly update, you should read that. Now, it all lies within beta. All lies within beta. This is for back to school. This image, if you go up to patch notes, you'll be able to see the upcoming uh, updates. And now I have 1, 2, 3 updates already planned out. Also, comment. I'm not going to be working on the comment section for now. I will get back to it. I'll get back to it later, but I won't. Now, the news is really important. Merchandise. I'll make a separate video on that specifically. So if you so mightily log out and type in contacts.html, you'll go to the contacts page. So the people that submitted forms from August 11th through August 23rd, the email was not read because there was some issues. So if you'd like to resend it, I'll just resend it. And the forms weren't responding, so I had to fix that. Now I believe it fixes it. I think I fixed it. So let me just type in random. Also, this is much more better on computers. Send to Minecraft Heroes. Now we're going to be within the email. So while the form sends, it does take a while. It doesn't take days. It only takes like a couple minutes to reach. So I'm just gonna talk about the merchandise a little bit. The merchandise, we are trying to work out as fast as possible because we want to get merchandise out there. So if we go to news, okay, so there's the email. So I'll be right back. Okay, now we're inside. Now we're inside the email, and it printed out swell. With Gmail, I do have an email prior to the website. I'll try to send that back to see if it works on that as well. But now I made it so it works good with this, and I just made a few changes to the code, and now I did 2 more messages before this, and all of them turned out good. I'll try to put it back on the email prior to the website, but that is all for today. I'd like you to give a big thumbs up or a big thumbs down. I really don't care. Smash, no, not, subscribe and turn on notifications just for a reason. You don't have to. I'm not pushing you, but that's all for today. Again, I'm gonna comment your email if you want to get a sign up. I'll sign up 5 people, even though it's like free. It'll save time for you during your busy day, if you even have a busy day. But that's all for today. I'll catch you next time. Bye.